Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Goddesses, Gods, and Guardians Oracle by Sophie Bashford with art by Hilary Wilson. This is published by Hay House and it retails for $19.99 in the US and $25.99 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And while you're in there, I do have a link tree that will give you all of the links to my social medias as well as the Etsy shop that you can purchase a private reading from me. All right, let's get into this. So it says, connect with the divine feminine, masculine, and magical energies of this sacred oracle to receive guidance for inner healing and spiritual growth. The 44 vibrant and soulful cards depict a diverse collection of powerful global deities and spiritual guides to divinely support, empower, and inspire your path. I'm excited about this one. This looks just stunning from the box. And I really do like the style of box. And oh, what does this say? Goddesses, gods, and guardians, I receive your wisdom with an open heart. Thank you for revealing sacred truths that illuminate my soul's path. So nice. All right. I have to say, I've been really liking that I've been unboxing the cards with no plastic wrap around them. I really like that. Makes it so nice to just get into it, and less packaging and plastic that wind up in landfills and our oceans. All right, let's take a look real fast at the guidebook to see if there's anything that we need to know before going in. So we have a lot of info here. So we have a welcome ritual and how to prepare the cards and how to do a reading, some sprayers, and then a prayer, and then interpreting the cards. Oh, there's a Baba Yaga. Nice. Okay. So I don't think there's anything super important that we need to know off the top here. Let's take a look at the purpose. These cards are a transformational divination tool. They are a safe, enjoyable way to gain healing insights and positive messages from a pantheon of cross-cultural and multi-dimensional guides. I've designed them to bridge the gap between spirit and your daily life. You can ask questions of these most magnificent divine truth keepers and receive spiritual and practical answers. Each card describes the key theme of each goddess, god, or guardian, their core soul lesson, and what this could mean for you and your life at this time. You'll learn how to work actively with a sacred guide's energy for the purposes of personal and spiritual development. They can help you awaken your intuition, heal limiting patterns, better understand your emotions, and discover your soul's true purpose on earth. You can unlock spiritual gifts that your soul has carried over many incarnations. The cards you choose may also hint at the locations in which you've had important past lives. This information can be used to empower and guide your present path. Each card includes a special invocation that can be repeated whenever you need a positive boost. The vibration of this prayer is carefully aligned with the goddess, god, or guardian's energy, so each time you say it, you'll be calling in their presence to support you. To complement your understanding of each figure's ancient roots, there is a brief outline of their mythological, cultural, and geographical origins. My goodness. All right. So it looks like you can use them for your regular divination purposes and for learning as well. Yay. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the cards and see what is in store. So there's the back. I really love this combination of sun and moon there. The little stars. It is a matte, and it is the thinner cardstock from Hay House now. So I know there's a lot of you that dislike that. I don't really have a problem with it per se, but I know it can be frustrating. No borders. That is nice. And it is your standard Hay House Oracle size. Beautiful artwork. Stunning. Wow. I'm kind of really speechless right now because this art is gorgeous. All the little symbols up there. I don't know if the camera can pick them up. I am really excited about this. Wow. Just blown away by how I'm speechless. Absolutely stunning. Oh, I love it. It's almost like they come alive. Wow. I need to order like big O art prints of these. It's just so gorgeous. Wow. This is a version you don't see often depicted of, I don't know how most of you pronounce it. Is it Hecate or Hecate? I've always pronounced it Hecate. It's like they're alive. It's just so realistic, but yet not. You know what I mean? I'm really just stunned with how gorgeous this deck is. Well done, Hillary Wilson. Oh, the energy bouncing off of this one, I love it. Wow. Love this. Oh, wow. Oh, I was hoping for a Merlin. Oh, yay. Oh. Even the backgrounds are gorgeous. Oh, wow. I love that. I'm getting goosebumps. This is just beautiful. Oh my gosh, the dress. Look at all that detail. Blown away. Oh, that is really cool. Rhiannon, yay! Gorgeous. Okay, so let's see how it shuffles. We'll pull a card and then read from the guidebook. Yeah, I don't have an issue with how it shuffles. It's the same with the current Hay House cardstock. It's not an issue for me. But yeah, it's probably going to be the new normal going forward. All right, let's read. Okay, I'm hoping that there's pronunciation guides in the guidebook because I am not going to give this name the pronunciation it deserves. So this is all about forgiveness. So let's go ahead and take a look here. We'll go to the table of contents, 159. I mean, no disrespect if, oh, they do have the pronunciation. Yay. Okay. No disrespect if I don't get it right on the first try. It's not what I mean. I am simply horrible with pronunciation in general. So let go of blame and punishment. Heal the past. All right. Tul Sol Te Ot. Tul Sol Te Ot is Mesoamerican Earth Mother of the Aztecs and the Huastec, an indigenous Mexican people. A patroness of midwives, she's known primarily as the filth deity. Her name derives from the Nahuatl word for garbage. Said to be the eater of impurities, she had connections with lust, vice, and ritual purification. She could lure people to commit immoral acts, but would absolve them afterwards. People confessed their worst misdeeds to Tolsolteot through her priests and received total forgiveness. She's associated with childbirth, witchcraft, moon cycles, menstruation, cotton, and broomsticks. When you've said or done something you regret, it can weigh heavily on your heart. It doesn't matter how long ago the mistake was made. You can go on punishing yourself for a lifetime. If someone hurt, betrayed, or disappointed you, it can be extremely challenging to let go of the harm they caused. Oh my gosh, so sorry. Let me go back to the pronunciation. Tolsolteot brings forward the most potent healing method that exists in our universe: forgiveness. She says, "You've chosen a profound spiritual practice. This process may transform your life. Holding on to guilt or resentment eats away at the body and spirit. Bitterness is unprocessed anger and will only fester, doing nothing to bring about healing change. This does not mean you condone abusive or cruel acts. It doesn't mean you forget or deny the harm. It means acknowledging that in order to move forwards in your life, to claim both health and happiness, you must work on forgiving yourself and others. Just being willing enough. Say an emphatic prayer to bring the energy of forgiveness into your heart. I will take care of the rest. Forgiving is not always easy. It needs careful and thorough attention. It may not happen overnight, but remember, there is nothing on earth that cannot be healed through the miracle of forgiveness." Additional meanings. Reconciliation within a key relationship is within reach. If you've experienced abuse or trauma, seek appropriate help. Offer a genuine apology. And then the invocation here says, "I forgive myself, I forgive them, I set us both free." Wow. First of all, this is stunning. I love that they added the pronunciation in here because I feel like that helps a lot of us who aren't familiar with certain deities and guardians in here to give us a little help with that, not to, mispronounce. Helps with the education. I love that it tells us about the deity / guardian. I think that there's a lot of great info in here, but what I cannot stop thinking about is just the art itself. It's so stunning. It's beautifully done. And I feel like it captures the essence of each of the gods and goddesses, etc. here. It just feels like they can pop out and be alive. And it's just so stunning. It's beautiful. The deities that I do know and I'm familiar with, I love the keywords that are on the card or what it's about. I think it is just phenomenally done. And the price point is perfect. I love that it's not super expensive. The only thing that I think I would say could be worked upon is the cardstock, really. And if that's my only complaint, that's nothing really, because, it's a good price point, like I said, and there's plenty of reasons why the cardstock may be coming out this way. And I do know for a while there, we were seeing a paper shortage, so that could be one of the reasons as well. But for the most part, I'm fine with it. I don't have an issue with how it shuffles. But again, speaking for all of us collectively, we like to know what the cardstock's about. So with that being said, I'm going to turn it over to you guys. What do you think about this deck? Are you excited about it? Do you already own it? I know a few of you do. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And as always, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.